Alright, what is going on, YouTube? Tom here, and yes, today we actually have some good weather here in Florida. Finally, I think we're heading towards the end of peak rainy season. No more just rain for the sake of rain. So, let's do something I haven't done in a little bit just because of the rain and also the fact that it's 2020 and we've had curfews and other reasons where you can't even get outside. So, behind me, I have my 2018 Mustang GT. Yes, it looks like an EcoBoost. Don't let it fool you. That's a GT. So, anyway, let's do a photo vlog because I haven't done one in a bit. So, let's get out one of my cameras and let's go take some pictures. So, for that, I have one of my favorite film cameras ever created, Canon EOS 630. Now yes, I shoot in film because I'm a bit of a hipster. I love to drive manual transmission cars, I love vinyl records, and I love film photography. So, this camera is really awesome for those that are new to the channel. Had it for about a year. Really love it because it's an EOS camera, meaning it shares a lot of the same technology with the camera you actually are watching this through, my Canon EOS T7i. One of the things that's actually really awesome about this camera is it's compatible with new Canon lenses. So for that, I have this lens right here, a Canon EF 40mm lens. Of course, this lens is the full-frame version of the 24 EFS lens that I actually do a lot of cinematic shots on, and also a lot of photography. So, love that lens so much, I said, you know what, I want another one for my film camera. Really awesome lens. I actually have had this lens since February and haven't even had the chance to use it because of just everything between COVID happening, lockdowns, curfew, protests, and then on top of that, just we got into rainy season along with my work schedule being very busy. So today I'm finally going to use it. And alright, and then also because for all you film nerds out there, we're going to be using some Kodak 400 film. This is Kodak Ultramax, which I really love because it brings out a lot of the bright, vibrant saturation in terms of colors. Well, you know with the Mustang, it is race red. It is a very bright shade of red. Digital cameras never seem to do this color justice. It is very bright, it's very vibrant. A lot of times it'll look orange in digital photos. Ultramax, I noticed, is one of the few camera films that can just bring out that shade of red exactly as it is. So, I'm heading to a nice little photo spot I found, and we're gonna take some photos here. Alright guys, pardon the traffic noise because it seems always every cool photo spot around here seems to be on a busy highway. So anyway, I found this little abandoned fruit stand, Carl's fruit stand. I found this on the way home from work one day and was like, let's make a cool photo spot. So you know what, let's do it. Got the Mustang over here, there's a house over there, so hopefully I'm not trespassing on somebody's property. I seem to be attracted to urban decay like this. It ends up looking cool. It's the aesthetic of having this dilapidated building next to the gorgeous Mustang. But anyway, I'm gonna get the camera out here in a minute and I'm gonna start setting up, finding a good angle. The big issue right now is, I didn't think about this, the sun is not really directly overhead, it's kind of behind, so basically we got the wrong angle for the sun, so it's gonna be a little bit backlit. Overall, we're gonna have to make do here for now, but I think we should be able to do it. Oh well, I'm gonna get everything set up and we'll get filming. Alright guys, just finished up the roll of film, as you can see. So yeah, that's it. About to go get that developed. This is definitely a pretty cool little spot. Hopefully they turned out good. Hopefully I didn't forget how to do film. I tried something a little bit different than I usually do. I had that camera set to deliberately overexpose a little bit just due to the backlighting. Hopefully that works. Hopefully I did that right. Definitely, I usually don't do manual photography with film. For whatever reason, I just never like manual. I prefer automatic photography. But I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone a little bit and do some manual. So hopefully they turned out really good. I actually won't know for a week right now just because that's how long it's about to take to get developed.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, it's been about 2 weeks since I last filmed for this video. So yes, we finally got the pictures back, got them all edited. Gonna go ahead and film this little outro. Welcome to the joys of waiting for film to get developed. That's something I know everyone loves digital cameras. It's not something you miss with digital. You don't have to waste time sending out film and getting it back. So definitely, it's still a process. It's worth it because I think the pictures always turn out way better, but definitely not fun if you're in a hurry. It's kind of, I feel like that's why film died out though. But yes, so we've got the lens that I tried out, the 40mm EF lens, which like I said, it is the equivalent of my EFS 24, which is actually my go-to digital lens, which I use for my Canon T7i, the camera you all are watching this through. And I really love it, so definitely it was a good lens, it was a good choice to get. I think if you're in the market for full-frame Canon lens, definitely recommend the EF40. It's well worth the money. I got that one used on eBay for about $90, and as you can see in the pictures, I think it turned out really well. It's actually, as you can see, I think the colors actually turn out a lot sharper with the pancake lens. It's kind of same with the 24mm lens. Alright, so if you all are not already, go ahead and follow my Instagram because the pictures will be there first. They will be up by the time you all see this video. You don't want to miss that. Also, if you like this video, let me know in the comment section below what you think about it, because I definitely want to keep going with photo vlogs. I enjoy it. They don't usually get a lot of views, but I definitely enjoy sharing my passion of photography with you all. And I want to continue making photos. I enjoy it. It's relaxing. It's something totally different content-wise. So let me know in the comment section below what you think about that. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you are stopping in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe. And of course, we're going to be working on more content as time goes on. Now that we're finally getting kind of out of rainy season, out of summer, we're going back into winter and snowbird season, provided they all actually want to come outside despite of Rona. Hoping we can do that, so hopefully we can get back into some car shows. So y'all aren't going to want to miss that. But anyway, take care, have a good day.